Why is this hat, but this is hate? Why is this cut, but this is cute? Why is this us, and this is use? If you're confused with that, this video is the answer. Hi, welcome back to Dear Teacher Lee. In this video, we will talk about the pronunciation rule of magic E. Let's begin with the most basic, with the simplest explanation. Let's start with this animal. This animal's name is a dog, and it sounds ruff. This animal's name is a cat, and it goes like meow. Same goes with the alphabet letters. This letter's name is A, but the sound of letter A is ah. There are many sounds of letter A, but we'll just use the short sound, which is ah. This letter's name is E. The sound is eh. This is O. The sound is O. This is I. The sound is I. This is U. The sound is A. Going back to hat and hate. Why is that? It's because of the magic E rule. The E at the end is silent, but it changes the sound of the vowel sound before it. If there is a magic E, the vowel before it will now use the letter name, the long sound. So in hat, the vowel there before the magic E is ah, and the letter name is A, right? That is why we are now saying hate. Same goes with cut. We put the magic E. The magic E is silent, but the will change. It will now use the letter name, the long sound, U. So it'll become cute. Us, let's add the magic E. It'll become use. It's drilling time. Please repeat after me. Mad, made, hat, hate, pet, Pete, met, meet, pin, pine, kit, kite, bit, bite, hop, hope, cop, cope, knot, note, cub, cube, tub, tube, hug, huge. Now that you know the rule, try saying these out loud. Cap, Rob, Finn. Questions or suggestions? Comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe, Dear Teacher Lee, if you want to keep improving your pronunciation skills. Have a great day. Toodles!